Hello kids! Birds names alphabetically. A for avocet, avocet. B for bunting, bunting. C for chickadee, chickadee. D for duck, duck. E for eagle, eagle. F for finch, finch. G for gala, gala. H for heron, heron. I for ibis, ibis. J for jay, jay. K for kingfisher, kingfisher. L for loon, loon. N for mako, mako. N for nuthatch, nuthatch. O for owl, owl. P for penguin, penguin. Q for quetzal, quetzal. R for robin, robin. S for spoonbill, spoonbill. T for titmouse, titmouse. U for umbrella bird, umbrella bird. V for vulture, vulture. W for woodpecker, woodpecker. X for xenopes, xenopes. Y for yellowthroat, yellowthroat. Z for zebrafinch, zebrafinch. Thanks for watching my video. Please like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos.